Hello and welcome.
It's time for another lesson. Today we're going to talk about the past.
Wait, don't tell me we're going to talk about our childhood years.
No, let's talk about something a little more recent. What were you doing last night?
I was watching a DVD when my boss called. As soon as I heard his voice, I knew something was wrong. He told me our office building was on fire.
Oh no!
Just kidding.
You wise guy. One way or another, to talk about past events, we use time clauses, much like you did. Can you repeat what you just said, please?
I was watching a DVD when my boss called. As soon as I heard his voice, I knew something was wrong.
We often use when or as soon as with the past simple to talk about two past actions. We also use while or as with the past continuous to describe a longer action that was interrupted by a shorter one. We use the past simple for the shorter action.
For example, yesterday, while I was working on my computer, the lights went out.
Well, yesterday wasn't my lucky day either. As I was jogging, I tripped and fell over.
Oh, poor thing.
That's all for the moment. Thank you for joining us.
See you in our next lesson. Goodbye.